The ENDORFY Fortis 5 Black ARGB is a high-performance CPU cooler designed for users who want powerful cooling, silent operation, and stunning ARGB lighting in one package. Whether you're building a gaming PC, a workstation, or upgrading your current setup, this cooler offers exceptional value through its advanced engineering and premium aesthetics. At the heart of the Fortis 5 Black ARGB is its 140mm Fluctus ARGB fan, known for delivering high static pressure and strong airflow while keeping noise levels remarkably low. This means your CPU stays cool even under heavy loads like gaming, rendering, and multitasking, without creating distracting fan noise. The carefully optimized fan blades help reduce turbulence and improve cooling efficiency. The cooler features a large heatsink with multiple high-quality heat pipes, ensuring fast and efficient heat transfer from the CPU to the fins. This results in lower temperatures and more stable performance, even on powerful processors. Whether you're using an AMD or Intel system, compatibility is no issue. It supports AM5, AM4, LGA1700, and LGA1200, making it ideal for both current and older platforms. Visually, the Fortis 5 stands out with its sleek black design and bright ARGB lighting, which can be synchronized with your motherboard's RGB software. This allows you to customize your PC's look exactly how you want, whether you prefer a subtle glow or a full RGB show. Overall, the ENDORFY Fortis 5 Black ARGB is a cooler built for users who demand performance, silence, and style. It's a reliable cooling solution that enhances CPU performance, keeps your system stable, and adds a modern aesthetic to any PC build.